guys, what's up? It's Nick and welcome back to another video. Today we are opening some NBA 2K17 packs. I'm on an iPad, so it kind of looks like the 2K16 packs, but there's 17 of them, like the cover. So let's see if we can pull any sapphires, grays, or emeralds. Okay, I always start off slow. Always. Ooh, yes, green wave, yes, that's what I'm talking about. Green wave, that's what I like. That's what I like. Yeah. We got a sapphire. Yes, demotivation. Okay. Yeah. Okay. I'll take it. Ooh. Oh, dirty gay. Oh, dirt. Oh. Got dirt. So let's see if we can pull a lot of emeralds and right. Oh, yes. 83 overall sapphire and 81 overall mellow. Let's go. I'll take it. Yes. That's alright. What the? Oh, Festus Ezeli was on the Warriors. Oh my gosh, she's on the Blazers now. Wow. Okay. Let's see if we can pull some emeralds. I don't like the Sixers a lot, but I'll take it. Let's see if we can pull like a Clay or Durant or Curry. I'm a big Warrior fan. I think we're gonna pull Clay or Durant in this recording. I really hope so. 93 overall, Kiki Vandeweghe. Okay, yes. I've pulled him before. 93 overall. I don't even know what that's called. Is it like sapphire? Is it diamond? I don't know. Yes, we're pulling all these emeralds. Yes, give me that. I want some of that. I want some of the emeralds. What the? I've never heard of Damian Jones, and he's on the Warriors. Okay. I don't know who any of these people are. Oh, who is it? Oh, Derrick Rose. Oh, gosh. Never pulled a Westbrook. Let's go. I've never pulled a Curry either, so that would be awesome if I got that recorded. Mo Williams. Yeah, I hate the Cavs. Come on. Oh, Avery Bradley. I'll take it. James Michael McAdoo. I'll pass. Please. All that was bad. All of that was bad. Please. I just got Richie Williams, but it's a sapphire. I will take it. Oh, come on. No. Oopsie. Oh. Thought this was gonna be good. Guess not. Please, something. Hey, Kyle Korver. Good 3-point shoot. Just somebody good. Is it so hard to want one emerald or something? Please, just do it for me. Just give me an emerald. Oh gosh, I think I'm slowing down. All these sapphires and diamonds and emeralds just calmed me down. I'm sad. Sean Livingston, he's on the Warriors. I'll take it. Oh my gosh. I'm scared. Who's the best in it? Torrey Parker? Yes. PG-13. Yes, 85 overall, PG-13. I will take it. Let's go. I just really want a Curry or Durant or anything on the Warriors. Or any good player. Ooh, Tree Rollins. Never heard of him, but he's an 81 overall emerald. Oh, please be an emerald. Nope, gold. Ben Simmons, I like him. He's probably the best on the Sixers. I'm just waiting for something good. Just waiting and waiting for something good. Let me pull one more emerald and then I'll end the video there. Oh, Wayne Ellington. I thought he used to be good. Ew. The Cavs. Ew. Reggie Jackson. Okay. Wow. I'm sad. This might take another year to get another emerald. Emerald I know, and I haven't gotten yet. That's what I mean. Who was that? Jeremy Evans. Like an emerald that I don't have. Sorry. Oh, Seth Curry. I like him. Just take away the TH and put then a PH and then put a T in front of the S and I'll be happy. Steph Curry. Leandro Barbosa. I did not know he moved to the Suns. Please, someone good. Please. Oh, Kemba. It's basically an emerald. But we want a real emerald. Oh my. Hey, look at that. We didn't get one person from the Suns. We got two. Yay. I just want an emerald. Yes! Brandon Jennings. I'll take it. So we pulled some good players, I gotta say. And I'm going to end the video there, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this. And I will see you guys next time.